Okay, dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan. Baby Grand Premiere, dito po tayo sa LPD. Ayan.
Oh, good
Good evening. Yes, correct. So, what can we expect? Are you excited to watch Project Baby?
Of course, excited ako mapanood yung movie nila. And I'm here to support everyone dito sa movie na to, especially Sue, Ana. So, yeah.
What do you think we can look forward to? Or what are you looking forward to specifically?
Wala naman. Na-expect ko syempre, ginagaling lagi naman ni Sue sa kanyang mga movies, binibigay niya lahat sa 100% sa kanyang mga projects. So, excited ako to watch that.
And we're actually asking everybody this question kasi gender reveal ang theme namin. Team boy ka ba or team girl for Project Baby? Ano sa tingin mo?
Team girl ako, syempre.
This year in LBB area.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, Tony. We want to ask, who are you supporting at ano yung inaabangan mo for tonight?
Syempre si Sue, katropa ko yan eh. Ever since day one, sobrang supportive niya sa akin. So sabi ko talaga, pupunta ako dito sa premiere night mo. And of course, si Kuya Rico rin, first time ko siyang makikita umarte din. So I'm very excited for their talent.
So medyo nakakaiba yung plot natin ng Project Baby. So it's just out there looking for a baby daddy, another option for the people who want a different plan in their life. Nung narinig mo yung plot na to, what was your first impression?
Wala ako, excited lang ako makita kung ano yung magiging performance nila kasi sobrang galing din ni Sue bilang artista, diba? So, it's something fresh, it's something different. So, I'm just looking forward to seeing this film.
Correct. And our theme tonight is a gender reveal. Yes! Team boy ka ba or team girl? Ano sa team mo?
Wow! My sister just gave birth to a boy, so I will be team boy.
Perfect! For Rico Blanco and Sue Ramirez! Okay, dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan.